Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Um, finally, yes, I am finally using my voice again. After a pretty long time, like a very long time. But in today's video, we're going to be playing, A Hero's Destiny, trying to get champion rank. We do a flipping ton of damage. Let me teleport to Pagos. I'm gonna use my long range attacks and just use my moves from here. Looks like that's not a pretty long range attack. This move right here, the Scythe Barrage, is absolutely insane. Pretty sure this dude has like 30 million HP. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to kill him. I don't know guys, let me do something real quick. Something fast to kill him. So yeah, very bad. Oh yeah, so basically this dude just finished off Pagos, and you can see I said, can someone finish off Pagos real quick? And they did, and I literally reached champion. I'm pretty happy that I finally reached champion rank. A couple more attributes, and I'll be able to reach 1 million health. I'm definitely getting on to definitely trying to get the deity rank at least one day in one video if I'm gonna be able to get it. Let me just try this quest real quick. It's pretty easy. take back what I said. Not that easy, but I do pretty ton of damage. Here goes One Punch Man. There we go. Let's go. 1 million health. Oh, looks like they one-shotted it. Let's go do the very easy boss, the Phoenix. The super easy boss. Doesn't have much HP at all, to be honest. I mean, it's Phoenix, so of course it doesn't have that much HP. But base die. Um, what is this? Oh, Bug Queen. Sure, let me kill her. The relic. Stinger. I still think the crab claw is better, but my present life steal is pretty good. This is literally just Bob. Let me do quest 14. Armored Beetle once again. I remember when I did not when I used to like not be good at all, and I just quit one day. I tried it out again, and looks like I've processed a lot more, to be honest. To be honest, I don't even know what I'm doing. Vice codes. Oh, quiz 18. I don't 67 million damage, dude. I died in one shot too. Okay, so guys, I think it's the well, I'm gonna be ending the video now, guys. So yeah, bye. Let me just kill this super easy thing real quick. Alright, I killed it. So now looks like this is the end of the video. See you guys when I upload again, which is probably gonna be in like it's probably gonna be tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I'll see you guys. Tomorrow I'll upload again. So yeah, peace. Also make sure to like and subscribe with the notifications so you never miss a video. So yeah, it's been a very long time since I have uploaded again. I'm sorry, I've been busy, very busy these days. So yeah, see ya.